Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this wig. It is so pretty, as you guys see. I have not worn my hair crimped in a very long time, so I'm really loving it. And y'all will be surprised, this is actually the natural texture that it comes in, and this only part I crimped was this part. So yeah, I'm going to show all of that in the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Thank you to asteriahair for sponsoring today's video. I've worked with them before. So this is their 24-inch deep wave 13x4 frontal, and it is a full frontal. Like the sides of the lace go all the way back here as well. And this is a long 24-inch. Look at this. It's like in my lap when I'm sitting down. So that is a plus. The texture of it is so pretty. This is the prettiest deep wave I've seen because it's more of a crimp and not a curl. It's actually a wave and not a curl. But I'm really loving it. And I think the lace, I'm not sure what type of lace this is, but the lace laid pretty well. I did bleach my knots, and that is it. I did not pluck it because I didn't have time to. So luckily it came out really good and I didn't have to pluck it or anything, but yeah. And it's really soft. The only products that I have on the hair is Fructis, and of course I use my Got2b Glue hairspray. But yeah guys, so I'm in a rush, so make sure you guys check out the links to this wig down below, and let's get started. Okay y'all, so this is what the hair washed and dried to. It literally looked like crimps. This is what the top of the hair looks like. She kind of full. I did bleach the knots already, but yeah, I'm getting ready to hot comb her real fast, and then I'll be crimping her on camera. So let's get started. All right guys, I'm just going to be taking my crimping iron that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to be crimping the top layers of my hair. I already showed you guys what it looked like after I washed it. So I went ahead and hot combed the front, of course, so it made the hair kind of frizzy. So I'm just going to be crimping this part to blend it in with this part, and I'm going to speed this up, and I'll be back when I'm done. Oh guys, and I'm going to be crimping big pieces, so I don't want nothing too, ouch! I don't want nothing too small. Alright, y'all, I am done. This is what she's looking like. Only thing I did was crimp the front. And this is what she looks like. This is how the natural texture is, but you see how the crimps just blend right into it. So I'm about to do my makeup, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so my makeup is done. Here is my wig again. This is the inside. It's a full frontal, so you know, like it's not just like closure with the little lace. It's a full frontal, which I love. But okay, so I'm just gonna be taking my Got2b Glue hairspray, and we're gonna put this baby on. So I'm gonna speed this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, the wig is on. My lace is looking a little light, so I'm gonna let that completely dry, and then I'm going to what do you call it? I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on it to make it a little bit darker to match my skin, but I'm liking how it's looking so far. Right, y'all, so this is the final product. Looks really good. I don't want to pull on it too much because I don't want to take my crimps out, but yeah, I'm really loving the product. The hair is really soft. I do have some product on it. Let me show y'all. So when I washed the hair, I put this on it while it was wet, and then I let it air dry. And of course it dried like this, and I put the crimps here. So I'm gonna give y'all a 360. So let's go back. Yeah, babe. Guys, so this is the front. This hair is really long too. This is the side. This is the back. Okay, this is this side. Okay, now we are back to the front. So okay guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check the links down below. Subscribe to both my channels. Leave a comment if you guys like to crimp your hair. What type of crimping iron do you use? Because I'm trying to look for the best one. So far, I really like this one though. Really pretty. But okay guys, thank you.